Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can create your own emoji on your iPhone or iPad device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 and now you want to create your own emoji on your iPhone device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can create your own emoji on your iPhone device after updating it to the latest version iOS 18. So now let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone device. Then here you will have to scroll down and tap on general. Then after that, here scroll down here, then tap on soft update. And here make sure that you're using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So after that, again go back. So after that, here you will have to again open setting, then scroll down. Then here you will need to tap on screen time, then again scroll down and tap on content and privacy restriction. Then here you need to turn on this toggle. So after that, make sure that all options are allowed from here. Then after that, again disable this toggle from here. Then after that, here you'll have to close this tab. After that, here you will need to open WhatsApp. So here you will have to open WhatsApp application on your iPhone device. So after that, here let's open any chat. So let's suppose you want to open this. So if you want to create your own emoji, then here you can see that here different options available. Here you tap on plus icon. Here you can see that here the photo, camera, location, contact, document, pool, and other options are available. You can use any feature from here. So if you want to create your own emoji on your iPhone device, so this feature is only available on iPhone 15 or later model. So here you can see that I'm using iPhone XS. That's why that feature is not available on iPhone XS. So I'm not able to create my own emoji from iPhone XS. So if you want to create your own emoji on your iPhone device, so here you will have to use iPhone 15 or later model, so that you'll be able to create your own emoji on your iPhone or iPad device. That's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.